ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா ஆப்பிள் 11 ப்ரோ மேக்ஸும் சாம்சங் S20 ப்ளஸும் டியர்டவுன் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதாவது 32வது மாடியிலிருந்து இந்த ஃபோனை தூக்கி போட்டால் என்ன ஆகும், அதை தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். லெட்ஸ் கோ டு வீடியோ.
A few moments later.
In a hard shell case, a clear case, the same brand. I want to show you beautiful devices, guys. We're actually going to be dropping both of them kind of at the same time, about 5 seconds apart with the case, and then another drop without the case. So we're going to be able to see. Again, I don't know how it's going to land, guys. But we're going to have the phones with slow-mo. Let's see what happens. We're going to be dropping each one by one. First one going down is the iPhone 11 Pro. And whenever you're ready, we're going to be dropping it.
Oh no!
Crazy, crazy loud. And next up.
Oh no!
So take note, guys, a whole bunch of more bounces with the Galaxy S20. So I have a feeling that one is definitely going to be more cracked. Let's get down and see what happened.
A few moments later.
Guys, let's see what happened. We already have a line here on the left, which is pretty crazy. It looks like there's not even a crack. It's just seems like there's a white line on the left side of the phone, a black spot in the middle. So some bleeding going on there. Let's take a look at the back here real quick. The back is shattered though, but that's crazy. No shatter to the camera lens itself, and the phone is in overall good condition after a drop in this cheap little $20 case. And finally the Galaxy S20. So let's go ahead and take a look what happened here. So the back, is the back even cracked? I couldn't see. Yes, it is cracked. The back is shattered. Let's take a closer look here. Oh my goodness, the front is fully working. There's not a single crack on the front, and I honestly thought there would be a lot more damage. A good decent sized amount of cracks. Still nothing as bad as the iPhone 11 Pro. There's obviously a little more damage with the iPhone 11 Pro, but this time we're going to be dropping them both at the same time. Once again, the back. So we're going to do this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crazy, crazy loud, guys. Let's get to the bottom and see what happened. Check it out, guys. Both the iPhone 11 Pro and the Galaxy S20 dropped practically at the same floor. So here's the results of the iPhone 11 Pro. Still somehow glimmering a little hope of light here. Working just...
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.